जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 644th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 68th sloka. Om Aniruddhaya Namaha. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattar Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryaha, Sri Rangesa Purohitaha, Sri Vatsanka Sutta Sriman, Shreyase me astu bhuyase. Om Aniruddhaya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who is unobstructed. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who is in the form of Aniruddha. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Aniruddhaya Namaha. Om Aniruddhaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindhakanda, Lakshmana went into Sugriva's palace. Lakshmana has seen Sugriva sitting in golden simhasanam. Around that simhasanam there are so many valuable grand beddings. Sugriva is decorated with so many Divya Abharana Chitrangam, Divya Rupam Yasasvinam, golden ornaments, and Sugriva is glowing with all those ornaments. Divya Malyambaradharam, Sugriva is decorated with so many garlands and beautiful garments. Lakshmana is looking at Sugriva. Lakshmana's anger getting increased more and more. Some Rabdhatara Raktaksho Babhuva Antaka Sannibhaha. With that anger, Lakshmana is getting boiled and Lakshmana's eyes getting red. Lakshmana looking like Yamadharmaraju, very fearful look. When Lakshmana was with so much anger at that time, Sugriva has seen Lakshmana and immediately, suddenly got shocked. Lakshmana's situation, he is moving to tears whenever Rama's grief coming into his thoughts. And he is getting into anger whenever Sugriva's luxury is coming into his thoughts. In that kind of situation, Lakshmana is there. But Sugriva, when he has seen Lakshmana, he got shocked and immediately got down from his golden simhasanam. All the girls stood up, and then Sugriva came down to Lakshmana, standing right in front of Lakshmana with folded hands and with bowed head, just like a kalpa vruksham. Now Lakshmana, with all of his anger, he is saying to Sugriva like this: "O Sugriva, you know how king should be. In the kingdom, everybody should like the king. The king should be behaving like that. And the king should have a tender heart, compassion king should have control over his senses. King should be grateful, and king should be always speaking truth. O Sugriva, the king who ever getting into wrong path, the king who doesn't stand on his word that gave to his friends, that kind of king is considered as very cruel king. O Sugriva, it is said, when we are dealing with horses, if you do lie, it is equivalent to that you killed 100 horses. And when we are dealing with cows, if you do lie in that aspect, it is equivalent to that you have killed 1,000 cows. But if you do lie when you are dealing with a good friend, and if you do lie and if you don't stand on a word that you gave to a friend, Atmanam hanti swajanam hanti. It is equivalent to that you have committed a suicide, and not only that, you have killed your own people. That much of sin attacks you. Atmahatya papam, svajanahatya papam. That much papam comes and attacks you. Like this, Lakshmana is saying to Sugriva. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 68th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Archishman Architah Kumbho Visuddhatma Visodhanaha Aniruddhaha Apratiradhaha Pradyumnaha Amita Vikramaha. Archishman Architah Kumbho Visuddhatma Visodhanaha Aniruddho Pratiradhaha Pradyumno Amita Vikramaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Aniruddhaya Namaha. Om Aniruddhaya Namaha. Om Aniruddhaya Namaha.